printers on the go. I brought this ANYCUBIC PHOTON M3. Had quite a few problems with it printing, it not staying on the bed. So there might be a tip in it for you there. That's if this prints off. I don't know if it will. I've had some successes, some failures. Finished up adding more support to the actual prints, and that kind of worked. Whether this will work today, I don't know. Might have even failed now for all I know. But if it works, it's another project. Fingers crossed. So yeah, this is a bit of a failure, hoping that I can sort this out. Sorry that the camera's still wobbling. So Orcs head, as you can see here, this is where the ear is supposed to be on the left. It's not printed that. It's got a whopping crack there, which I'm going to have to call body fill. Printed the right ear fine, face is all fine. That broken tooth was supposed to be on there. Well, not supposed to be, it's meant to be broken. So I've put it into Tinkercad, the whole thing, and just sliced it off so I've got the left ear. And hopefully I can remodel that, put that back in there, and then we might be able to get somewhere. Photon M3. Yeah, right. Don't know if anybody else has got one out there, but see, I've tried everything up to now. More supports on the model, changed the FEP, leveled the bed, you name it, I've tried it. It's driving me crazy. But anyway, let's see where we can go with this, see if we can save it. And hopefully if I can, it'll be good. And there we go, I get yet another message, even though I've told her that I'm doing a video on my phone. Ugh. Well, there it is, repaired. Just got some of the resin that you use for the 3D printer. Put some foil underneath this. Stop it running through, hit it with a UV light. Just got to sand it down a bit. Got the Lord of the Rings ring that I've blown up, because that was going to go on the bottom anyway, which has worked out well. As you've seen in the other video, the ear didn't print, so I've reprinted that to sand it down with the Dremel until it fitted. Again, put some resin in any gaps, hit it with the UV torch, and it's done. It was kind of worth it. It's just a shame about that ANYCUBIC Photon M3 printer having problems. Anybody out there that knows anything about it that could give me some tips? It's not printing the support properly, and it's not been printing the models properly. They've even stuck to the bed, but I've changed the FEP sheet. The way I've got the models to stick to the build plate is increase the amount of support that's on it and make it heavy, which has worked, but then as you've seen, it's not printing it all correctly. So any tips out there? So yeah, this Orc is really a beast. It's pretty cool. So all I used to paint the Orc's head was some black spray, some rub and buff. That's amazing stuff, and it goes such a long way. And I just brushed it on. So, yeah.